Hi everybody, welcome to this new interactive backing track. Today we're still going to work on the scales of C major. We're going to improvise on a little more structured harmonic progression coming from a very nice song from the Coldplay called Don't Panic. We're just going to use the harmonic progression of this song, we're not going to cover it. It's just for our exercise and to use it for improvisation. The harmonic structure of this song is quite simple. The chorus is made, we could say, of a part A and a part B. Part A has the chords of A minor. Let's always take a look at the harmonization of the key to see where the chords come from. A minor is the 6th chord, then there is the chord C, the 1st chord, and then the F, the 4th chord. We can play the F leaving the 1st string open, as we did in the previous Play With Me session. These are kind of like the chords that we've been using in that previous session, but with an inversion between the F and the C. This is going to be twice. So again, A minor, C, and F. The F is 2 bars. This is part A. What we can call part B is really simple also. It has the chord of D minor for 2 bars, which is the 2nd chord of the harmonization of the C major scale. Then A minor again, and then the 5th chord of the scale, G major. And then last 4 bars are 2 bars of D minor and 2 bars of F. That's it. Let's choose from the Drumgenius loops rhythm for this exercise, for this harmonic progression. I'm gonna go in the library of the funky rhythms today, and I think this funky 4 rhythm would be perfect for our song. It sounds like this. Let's try the chords on this rhythm together. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, C, F, A minor, C, F. Now part B, D minor, A minor and G, D minor and F. From top. Okay, you should memorize this harmonic progression or take a screenshot of the screen of the page in the beginning of the video when I showed the harmonic progression, or just write it down as you prefer. We're going to switch every chorus, so once you're going to play the chords A and B of this structure, and then you're going to jump from that to the solo, and then after one chorus of solo back to the chords. So maybe try a few times this harmonic progression to make sure to get familiar with it and be able to jump from the solo right into the chords. Okay, now we're ready to start to really play on this progression and improvise. I'm going to play the bass for you today because Gigi was a little tired of playing the bass. He's the one who's going to improvise with you in this interactive backing track today. Let's do like this. I'll start the drums. Let's add an extra 4 bars of intro with just the chord of F. We can all play this chord of F for 4 bars. Then we'll jump right into the chorus. You start comping, so you keep playing the chords A minor, C, F, etc. for a whole chorus. And Gigi is going to start to solo using the box named A in the cage system in the key of C major at the beginning of the fretboard, and then after this first chorus you go to the sol, you start switching every chorus. As usually, let's use the boxes of the cage system, the 5 positions, one by one, and when we have finished using all of them one by one, we can go where we want along the fretboard, mixing all of them. Okay, so let's start. Drums. Intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. F. The chorus, play the chorus. Wow, wonderful. That was really another great Play With Me session, I think. Now, in the following Play With Me sessions, it's going to be interesting to start to change key, that is, to use chords not belonging to the key of C major. But before that, we need to practice on the transposition of the major scale and the boxes of the cage system in different keys, that is, in different parts of the fretboard. We're going to work on that on the following lessons. They are linked in the description here below, so check them out. For today, thank you so much for watching and for playing with me. As usually, if you want to support my work, put a thumb, leave comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much again. See you soon. Ciao, bye bye.